remind you again that the 4th, 5th, and 6th place drivers are racing to get into the fall championship. With McIntosh not here, I would believe that one of these 3 guys would be our 3rd contender in our fall classic. Mosley and Hall get together. Hall going to pull him away, and that puts that accordion effect together and going to put somebody on the bottom of the track. Caution, caution, caution. Boy, what a save there by the Wolfman. Caleb Creech, he went high side surfing and able to diamond back that car back down to the bottom. Right now it's Jason Hall leading, Dustin Mosley 2nd, Creech and Sloan 3rd and 4th. I don't think Brent can get in the top 3 though. I think he's so far out, but I believe it'll be whoever wins. Them 2 cars right there, they're racing for the 3rd spot. They may not even know it. They don't even know it. They tell me 42's best car here. Car-wise. Car-wise. I've been told that by different people. Watch it, pack that car. What lap was that? What lap? Joey, I reckon. Stale, brand new. I'd say he'll move up next year. I wouldn't be surprised if he don't go to A-Mod next year. I don't think he likes it very much after the past few weeks, though. I hate that. Huh? I don't think he likes it very much after the past few weeks, though. Oh, really? Yeah, they felt something on the engine a couple times. Oh, is that right? I know that. Can't talk to nobody. Come on, now. That's what I'm talking about. I said, I'm no team man, but if they tell me somebody's not legal, I have to say. Well, yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, it's black and white. You know what I mean, dude? What it is. We've got 20 minutes intermission, right? 15, and then we'll prayer national anthem. We're going to announce the winner, and we're out here. Yeah. Oh, buddy! You don't know what you just about done, man. How many cars are you all making over there? Top 3. So top 3 goes to the scale. Okay. White flag flies one more time around the speedway. Dustin Mosley, Jason Hall, and Caleb Creech. Checkered flag this time over the right shoulder of the number 911, Jason Hall. Dustin Mosley 2nd and Creech 3rd. Gary Brent Sloan going to come home 4th. Riley Fields and Will Likens comes home 5th and 6th.